How to use WhatsApp on OBS virtual camera. So if you want to use WhatsApp on OBS virtual camera, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your OBS application, and on the side you just need to open up your WhatsApp application also. So once you open up your OBS, just simply search for OBS and then open up the application. Once you open the application, you will have this kind of interface, right? So let me tell you one thing, that you don't have an option to like stream WhatsApp from OBS, but what you can do is you just need to simply tap on start recording or start streaming, anything, and then go with the sources option. Here on the bottom left, you will have plus option or add source option. Simply click on add source. Once you click on add source, here you need to go with video capture device. So go with video capture device and then add that source. Once you've added that source, you just need to simply go with WhatsApp, open up your WhatsApp and go with get started, and you can stream your WhatsApp by using OBS. So in this way, you can use WhatsApp on your OBS. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.